Ba daw yung momo?
Alam pala niya.
The spices.
Gets niya pala yun. Wala kang rosary pero may baby tea.
Oh, Jean, where are we right now?
7th century
Temple. Iko. th century. Ay, what? 5th century.
Yeah.
Cypress tree. Okay.
Before we get inside, I'll just briefly tell the history about this temple. So this temple was actually built in 7th century before the Vajrayana Buddhism started here.
Wow, orange. Hindi na naman niya. Gusto na naman niya magprutas. Gusto na naman niya pitasin. Okay.
That is where the master was cremated.
Oh, okay. So, the body is still there? Or the cremated?
Yeah, some of the relics were
Yeah.
still
Starting to bloom.
The birds, they're inside.
There are birds inside, right?
Why are there a lot of
It's a sparrow.
Sparrow.
So they feel safe there, yeah.
Oh, they feel safe because
Yeah.
it's cold?
No, usually it's like a playground. They're playing like
that's
their football
nice.
there.
Sparrow. So the birds are there.
Playing football.
Magnolia. There you go. Magnolias starting to bloom during the spring. We're here at the homestay.
So ngayon mag-dinner na kami.
Yes.
So,
this is how it looks like.
yeah.
Show it to them.
Bhutanese style. I will show you.
One group, 11 houses.
So, ayan yung mga tables.
Pampainit na katawa.
Nag-iinit mong katawan.
Nag-CR
Kaya Angela people, what are you doing?
Pag nag-CR, it's so cold.
Anong ginagawa nyo?
We're here in the furnace. English. English.
Kasi ano yung audience ko magiging English?
English.
Child.
Furnace.
Okay.
And it's hot. Like the song. Grow old with you. Oh, sige, hanapin yung furnace doon. Oh, go.
The green one is fresh one, this one is dried one.
Oh.
Is it more spicy if it's dry?
Almost same.
Almost same.
But same species of chili? Same?
Same.
kind?
Variety.
Same.
Become red and you dry.
So,
You'll take a
Oh.
pic video.
What is
so this is the
spicier?
chicken.
Chicken pa.
This one?
Pa!
Yeah, chili cheese. And then what's the name of this one?
Actually are spicy.
No,
What's
the
this?
green
What's
or
the name
red?
of this?
Is it what's chili?
More one is green.
Pork.
Green.
But some red is also.
Chili cheese.
Chili cheese.
But dried
All are
chili.
not the same.
Not the same. Okay.
Madam, what's the name of this one?
This is pork with beans.
Oh, part
Fried
of
with
this.
Okay.
Oh.
So,
This is our,
You did.
the host.
The host.
Say hi to our vlog. Oh.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
so much. Currently, nasa isa kaming homestay dito sa Bahrain, Bhutan. So, bigyan ko lang kayo ng quick peek on how it looks like. So, syempre bago kami pumasok, Ito yung daan. Okay? And ang mawi-witness namin yung kwarto. So ito na siya. Yan. So it's actually a big room na medyo maraming nangyayari. So ito yung ating prayer wheel na you have to turn. Yan, paikutin mo siya. Okay? Diyan mo lalagay mga prayers mo. Okay? And then kanina pinakita sa amin itong shrine nila. So nandito yon. So ewan ko lang kung mabubuksan pa namin, pero nandyan yung shrine nila as Buddhists. And ito yung kanilang parang sala. So very nice looking sala. Very house style. So ito na yung aming kwarto. Papasok na po kami. Hindi ko na lang ipapakita yung nagmamahalan. Yan. Ito kami. Hindi ko na lang ipapakita yung nagmamahalan sa gilid. Kasi baka magalit ang mga spirits. Okay, ito na yung aming homestay ni Jane. Hi!
Si Eddie muna mag-vlog kasi tinatamad ako.
PMS na naman siya. Oh, hi. Oh, how's the homestay experience so far?
It's a one of a kind.
Yeah, it's one of a kind.
To immerse ourselves.
Yes,
as Bhutanese.
Yes, para kaming locals talaga.
At napagkamalan na talaga kaming Bhutanese twice.
So, ito lang yung parang itsura ng room, pero very artistic. So, maraming mga artworks, very colorful. Yan. Okay. So, nandito yung parang typical na na painting na very sikat, yung elephant, the monkey, the rabbit, and the crane. So, parang cooperation ang niyan. Parang ibig sabihin. Tama ba ako, Jane?
Yes.
O, diba? Ang galing ko. So, usually hired by a painter yung mga ganyan. So, parang siya. Connected rooms. Okay, so that's it. Bye ka na.
See you tomorrow.
Okay.